morning, everyone, and welcome to the first all-school meeting for Unity.
How can we as individuals make peace a verb? Each of these friends will share with the community what they are going to do to make a difference. Let them be examples to all of us about what personal declaration can look like.
I can put peace into action by talking out my problems and calmly listening to others.
It could be you and your friends knowing that no one would ever go behind another's back.
We can show empathy towards others by putting ourselves in other people's shoes.
In a community, integrity means to be one whole, undivided. We can change the world just by changing our perspective.
Peace in action may look like the way you handle disagreement.
Peace can connect to this year's theme of integrity if we all pledge to ourselves and to our community to strive to keep our school a peaceful place. However, this would only work if we truly meant what we were saying and truly wanted the peace that we were pledging.
Now I'm going to ask the whole group to repeat after me. Peace is a verb. Peace is every breath. Every step. Every mile.
So, if we all try our best to stop violence and try our best to avoid conflicts, or just try to resolve conflicts peacefully, we will have an even better chance of being a step closer to our dream of having world peace.
Peace looks like
Peace looks like
smiling
smiling
and being grateful
and being grateful
for what you have
for what you have,
and being so kind.
being so kind.
My name is,
Cameron,
and I believe
believe
peace comes from inside you.
peace comes from inside you.